So my topic is uh, divorce prediction using machine learning and concluding how to reduce them. Uh, so why the problem is why divorce happens. Generally due to miscommunication and uh, not of better understanding in between the couples. So the divorce happens. I have taken a data set of which contains 54 questions ranked on a scale of 0 to 4, which will be asked questions. There are some sample questions. On basis of that data set has been created, and I have trained logistic and decision tree model on that uh, data set for the logistic regression. Uh, these are the key features and advantages of logistic regression. Then this is the workflow diagram, like data collection, then pre-processing, and then feature engineering. Then splitting the data in training and testing. Model selection, I have used the decision tree classifier and logistic regression. But logistic regression has better accuracy, so I have used that in my project. It is a good attractive opportunity for ML as diverse prediction using machine learning is attractive because it handles complexity, it has high accuracy, it has personalized insights, it is scalable, it can give data-driven decisions. We can have adaptive models as well as ethical analysis. Crisp 3M understanding business objective. It predicts a likelihood of diverse using demographics, behavioral, and psychological factors. Then assessing the situation like resources, historical marriage, and divorce data, expertise in psychology, sociology, and data science, etc. Then constraints, risk, and assumptions. Now, talking about the solution evaluation time, we have first defined success criteria, like we have established clear performance metrics, like to evaluate the model's effectiveness, then setting benchmark for acceptable performance level based on historical data and industry standards. Then data splitting, model evaluation, comparison with baseline, and continuous monitoring. Now, talking about potential risk in the production, uh, major risk is the model inaccuracy. So the risk is that model may not accurately predict the divorce likelihood, leading to poor decision making. As it is a very sensitive topic, we have tried to achieve uh, highest accuracy as possible. And then there are some data privacy and security issues like uh, may question leak to someone or like something leak, but we have tried not to happen so. Then bias in prediction, overfitting. These are some common risks. Then the mitigation strategies involve regular model validation, data privacy measure. We have taken the like we talked about in risk. We have taken measures to for the data privacy. Then bias audits and monitoring maintenance. Feature scope is that it can integrate this with counseling services. We can personalize interventions, ongoing relationship health monitoring, new data sources, and real-time feedback, which will help to reduce the divorce rate. It's about the theoretical. Now I will show the model code with you. So this is the decision tree classifier code. In this, we have trained the model using the data set. This is the heat map we have gained from it. Then the training accuracy is 98.23% and testing accuracy came about 85.96%. Similarly, for the logistic regression, we got the training accuracy of 98.23% and testing of 98.25%. The same heat map for the logistic regression model. Now I will show you the code in which we have uh, compared SVM also. Uh, so this is the code. Here the data set is being loaded. Then we have pre-processed data in the divorce yes and divorce no column. Then we have split the data for the training and testing purpose. Then the model which we have trained earlier, we have used the model here for the comparison, and we have printed the models a comparison results. Now here is the we have positive and negative questions. So the marking, the scaling of 0 to 4, which is for given for the question. These are been divided the question. We have divided the question numbers in that format. Then this is the function which will predict the will the divorce happen or not, and how, what is the percentage of happening or not happening. And this is the GUI. We have run, I have run these are the questions which we have used. 54 questions are there. Now I will show you the GUI. So this is the GUI. We will put the rankings to them. Now we have answered the questions. Now we'll click on predict. So it is like divorce will be likely, which with a probability of 88.73%. So I will tell you about the questions also. So like for example, if one of us apologizes, our discussion deteriorates, the discussion ends. So for like if he is telling, like we have given the output for the questions. On based on that outputs, it has predicted the divorce rate. So that was my project. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Tanmay Anil Sharma. I'm from Vishwakarma University. Thank you so much.